What is up, everyone? Jack from Half Chrome. Went out this morning, flew the Anafi and the Mavic Air, so we got that coming. Did some comparisons. You're gonna like what you see. But when I got back, checked my email, and I had one from DJI letting me know that the event on the 18th was postponed, which is kind of a bummer because I'm excited to head out to New York and see what they've got in store for us. But, you know, they said some different things. They want the product to be right, and it obviously isn't. You can see a picture of what they said to me here. But I already knew this. I already knew it was postponed. I saw the message from Drone DJ. I saw Billy Kyle's video. Why? Why do I think that it's postponed? Well, obviously, there are lots of factors that go into this, but really what it comes down to is it's not ready. And what is not ready? The Mavic 2. The Mavic 2 is not ready. Plain and simple. Is it hardware? Is it software? Not sure. Could be either one. It could even be an issue with the supplier chain. Doesn't really matter, right? It's not ready, so they're not putting it out there, which is fine. I want a drone that is solid and ready to go when it does hit production. I don't want to have to deal with thousands of firmware updates. Send me a drone that works, and I'll be happy. We've seen some other things. We've done a little bit more investigation. You know, Osita tweeted a picture of a super grainy looking camera that probably has a pretty wide field of view, and that kind of confirms what we've been thinking all along, that the Mavic is going to get a wider field of view, right? So see the bigger picture, maybe that bigger picture is a wider field of view, maybe that bigger picture is zoom capabilities. Chris came up with this theory today that I think is a little crazy, but hey, why not? Maybe the bigger picture is actually the ability to fly in different places. So maybe DJI works out with certain governments. They do some development for them in exchange for the ability to lift geofences in certain areas. I don't know, that sounds a little far-fetched, but it'd be kind of cool to be able to fly in certain areas that you can't. We saw the Osita LV Chinese translation of See the Bigger Picture. We asked some of our colleagues that speak Chinese to look at it for us, and they agree that his translation of stand higher, look further, and see the big world with a small thing, that's a legit translation. Little different perspective. You know, we're standing higher, maybe we go higher. We're looking further, maybe a wider field of view. Again, we don't really know. We'll see. Hopefully it's not postponed too much. We haven't reached out to our contact at DJI yet. We're going to give them some space, let them tell us when it's going to happen. If we don't hear from them in a day or two, I will, but I suspect that they'll let us know when they know. So, and when we know, you will know. Until then, we'll be flying our Anafi and our Mavic Air and doing more comparison testing, so make sure you check that out on halfchrome.com. Besides, it's a beautiful day, guys. Let's go fly.